Hi, you are welcome in IoT Learning Series. Today we will discuss a project that is how to control a DC motor with the help of relay to Blink console, that is IoT platform. So let's start this video. We will make circuit diagram on Proteus software, and you have to keep Node MCU and related components along with you. So let's open Proteus software. So we will design our circuit here. First of all, so you have to open Proteus software and you have to create a new project. So I will just delete this one. Now as you can see, this is the Proteus software that is blank, and you have to just add some devices here. So first of all, you have to move in component mode as we have discussed in earlier videos. So you have to move on component mode. After that, click on pick devices. Here you will get an option for searching the devices. So first of all, you need to search here for Node MCU, and you will get an option for Node MCU. Click OK, it will get added in your devices list. Now you need to search for motor. So here you will get an option for motor. So click on OK and it will get added in your devices list. Now you required a relay module. So basically you will get here a relay, not relay module. In relay module there is driver embedded with the relay, so that is called relay module. But here you will, in this software, you will get an option for individual relay. So you need to add relay driver also. So first you have to add relay. Click on OK and it will get added in your devices list. We will use driver that is BC547. So here you will get an option for BC547. So click on OK, it will get added in your devices list. That is all from devices. So here you can see 4 devices has been added in your devices list. Now we will make just circuit connection. First of all, we will click on Node MCU and press in workspace area. Here Node MCU has been placed. Again we require relay. So click on relay and place it in your workspace area. Now we need to place relay driver, that is BC547. So this is placed here. Now we required motor. So motor also has been placed here. Now we will make circuit connection with Node MCU. So let's make it zoom in. That's why you can see it very clearly. I will make the connection on this software. So you have to make connection of physical hardware along with the connection of Proteus. So just we will start to connect all components. Here in relay module you will get 2 wires. So you have to connect one with VC547 transistor, and other end of relay module you have to connect with 3 volt of Node MCU, and you have to connect other terminal of BC547 to the ground of Node MCU board. So here you can see this is completed. Now we will control relay from digital pin, that is D3. You can connect on any digital pin. According to that you have to write the code. So we will just write here code for D3. So I am using here D3 as output for relay. So here you can see the connection of relay has been completed. Now we will make connection of motor with relay. So one terminal of motor you have to connect with the relay, and other terminal of motor you have to connect to the ground of Node MCU. So you can see here the connection is completed for motor. Now we have to make the other terminal of relay to be connected with 3 volt supply of Node MCU. So here you can see this is our complete connection for our model. So you have to make the same connection on physical level. If you are using relay module, so you need not to place BC547, and if you are using relay module, so you can directly connect D3 pin with input terminal of relay module. Or if you are using individual relay, so you need to make the same connection with the help of BC547. So here you can see I have made the same connection with the help of relay module. So you can see this is relay module, this is node MCU, and this is motor. So I have made the connection, so you have to make the exact connection. Now we need to move on Blink console so that we can configure Blink console for controlling the motor with the help of IoT platform. So here, when you will log in to the account of Blink console, you will get this home page, and you have to just configure your project here. First step, just you have to click on add new template. So click on that, and here you have to write the name of your project, that is motor control. So this is the name of our project. Here we will use hardware as ESP8266 because we are using node MCU. The node MCU others name is ESP8266. Now you have to click on done, and it will ask for other information. So here you have to click on data stream, and we have to click on add new data stream. So you will get here a new pop-up. From these options you have to click on digital. So here you can give a name for your data stream. By default I will use here for switch. So you can assign any name. Here I will use pin 0 by default. You can use any pin. According to that you have to choose pin 3, because as I have used D3 pin for our node MCU board, so let me show you. D3 is digital pin for node MCU, but in the term of general purpose input output pin, it is GPIO 0. So here in Blink console it is talking about this 0. So you need not to write here D3. You will not get option for D3, so you have to use 0 instead of D3. So now we need to configure that. As you can see here, we need to use pin mode as output because D3 pin we are using output for relay module. So click on create. It will get added in your data stream option. Now we need to move on web dashboard. Here you will get an option for widget box. From widget box you have to choose a switch and drop in your workspace area. Here click on setting option, and first of all you will get a title, that is optional. You can choose a name here, but I will use just default. When I will choose a switch data stream, so it will get changed automatically. So click on choose data stream and click on switch, so it will modified automatically. Here you have to just on value you have to assign 0, and off value I have to assign 1 according to your relay module. I have used relay module that is inverted, so I am using this. If you are using individual module, so you can use default values. So click on save, and you have to save all your settings. Again now you have to move on search option. You will get here an option for adding device, so click on add new device. You will get a new pop-up. Now you have to choose from template from this pop-up. So click on from template, and template option you have to click here. You will get a name that is you have assigned for your project, and Device name, it will get automatically from your template. So click on create, and here you can see this is the code, or you can see this is the credential for your project. So click on copy. So this is the code we will use in coding portion. So let's minimize it. Now it's turn to just program our Node MCU board. For that purpose, we need to open Arduino IDE software. So open in your PC or laptop, whatever you are using. Now you can see our Arduino IDE software has been open. Now let's make it bigger, that's why you can see it clearly. Here this is the code which I will use in our project. This code I have explained in earlier videos. This is the same for controlling LED from IoT. So you have to use the same code. Now let's explain some code of working project. So here first 3 lines you have to just replace with Blink console data, which I have copied from Blink console. As you can see here, this is the code which I will use instead of previous written code. So you have to just copy and replace it with new one. So this is replaced, as you can see. The below portion of the code I have explained in the video. Here you will get an SSID and password. You have to just provide hotspot name through which your Node MCU board will get connected. In white setup option, this is serial begin, and word rate here, this is blink.begin. So it will get authentication code from here and SSID and password from this character. Again, in the white loop option, we have written blink.run. So what this line will do, it will just run the blink ESP8266 Wi-Fi.h, and it will continuously check for data fetching from Blink console. So this is the code. Now you have to just connect your project, that is I have connected with the help of data cable. So you have to connect your Node MCU board with your PC or laptop, whatever you are using, with the help of data cable. So let's connect it. I have connected, so you have to ensure that connection should be proper. Now you have to move on tool option. Here you will get an option for board. So click on this and you will get an option for ESP8266 boards. So from these you have to click on Node MCU 1.0 option. Again move on tool option. So from port you have, when you will connect your Node MCU board with your PC, so it will get here an option like COM4, COM3, or whatever the COM you have connected. So I have connected on communication port 4. So we will click on that. So connection with the PC and Arduino IDE software is completed. Now we need to upload the code in your Node MCU board. So click on upload option and wait until it's get completed. It will first compile your code and it will get uploaded in your board. So here you will get notification what is happening within Node MCU, or you can say Arduino IDE software. So wait until completion of this process. Let me show you one more thing. While the code is uploading on Blink console, you can see your project is initially offline. You can click on search option. Here you will get your project which we have created. Initially you can see this is showing offline. When the code will get uploaded and it will get connected with the hotspot provided, so it will get online here. Let's see what process is going on in Arduino IDE software. So compilation process is going on. So you have to wait until completion of this process. Okay, you can see here now compilation has been completed and code is getting uploaded in your Node MCU board. So here you can see the percentage, what portion of the code has been uploaded in your Arduino, or you can see ESP8266 board. So as you can see here, the completion of the this process has been done. So now let's minimize Arduino IDE software. Okay, you can see here your board has been connected to Blink IoT, so it is showing online. It means your board has been connected to the internet, and now you can control your motor with the help of switch. So let's demonstrate our project. You can see here I have connected our project with PC and code has been uploaded to this board. Now let's make switch turn on and see what happened on the wheel of motor. So click switch on. You can see here the motor rotation has been initialized. It's working very properly. Let's make it switch off. You can see this is switched off now. So it's working very fine. You can see when it's switched off, so motor rotation has been stopped. Again let's make it switched on. You can see when I press the switch, motor rotation is started. Now it's switched off, is motor rotation is stopped now. So what basically this is happening here, we are controlling our motor with the help of IoT, or you can say we are controlling motor through internet. So instead of motor you can use, let me show you here, instead of motor you can use your AC, fridge, or whatever the appliances present in your house you can use instead of this motor. So this is the concept of our video. So the video has been completed. Thanks for your patience.